Welcome to BankCard Pro's CRM account tracking software. In this training session, I'm going to teach you how to create trouble tickets and also manage and view all the trouble tickets created in the system. On your home page, for your login page, you're going to add your login and your password and log into the software. Agree to the terms of service, log in, and the first thing you're going to see is the home page. There's a couple of places you can go to view all the trouble tickets that are assigned to your user account. On the home page, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the top 5 trouble tickets that were most recently created for your user account. Now, we are logged in as a system admin user, so we're going to see all the trouble tickets for all users and for all merchants. And if you click on View All, it'll take you to the trouble ticket page so that you can see all the 38 trouble tickets that are in progress in your system. So if you scroll down, you're going to see all the trouble tickets. You'll see all the merchants on this side, and you'll see the subject of each of the trouble tickets on the left side of this system. Now, the other thing that you're going to see is you're going to see who actually created a trouble ticket, which says by CRM admin, and who the trouble ticket is for or assigned to, which is Britney Spears or CRM admin or John Doe or Deion Sanders. So basically you can create a trouble ticket and assign it to somebody as a person responsible for resolving the trouble ticket, contacting the merchant, and making sure you take care of whatever their needs are for that time. Now, what we're going to do is basically on the home page, you're able to see the trouble tickets. On the gray menu bar, you could go to the support section, and the support section actually shows your trouble tickets on the left side under quick links section of the software, which you can see right here. Now, what you could do is click on new, and you can see all the new trouble tickets that are in this system, or you could click on all the trouble tickets that have the status of pending, or all the trouble tickets that have the status of working. And then we have closed all the trouble tickets that were resolved satisfactorily to the merchant. You could click on resolved, or if you're unable to resolve the trouble ticket, you could classify it under this status section and see all those trouble tickets there. Now, if you want to customize the trouble ticket status, you could be able to click on edit options, and on this page, as a system administrator, you're able to customize how you want to manage your trouble ticket system. In the first section, you can be able to create as many issues as you want to, or categories or subjects for different types of trouble tickets that are created, so that you can be able to categorize them by the subject matter. You can scroll down and you can add a trouble ticket status, which is new, pending, working, closed resolved, or closed unresolved. So you're able to customize this and come up with your own ticket statuses, your own trouble ticket issues, and at the bottom you can create your own trouble ticket priorities, which will be low, medium, high, and critical. So you could completely customize how you want your trouble ticket system to work. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the support section, and we're going to click on create trouble ticket. On this page, the system will automatically create a ticket ID after you submit this trouble ticket. The first thing that you're going to see is a drop-down button for issue. So you could choose by a list of different issues. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose statement question. For the subject, merchant needs statement help. Please call merchant and explain how to read their statement. This is a new merchant. What we're going to do is the status is a new status level, so you're able to customize these as well. Priority, we're going to set it as a medium priority because the merchant is really needs some help right away. So the next section for business name, we're going to click on find, and basically you're going to see a list of all the merchants in the database that you can assign this merchant to. So for demo purposes, we're going to choose Chicago Bears as the merchant for this trouble ticket, and we're going to assign this trouble ticket to one of the sales reps. So what I'm going to do is just assign this trouble ticket to Jane Doe, and we're going to submit it. And what you're going to do is you're going to see the trouble ticket on the main trouble ticket page, which is right here, which is what we created. So if you click on it, you're going to see all the details for this trouble ticket. You're going to see the information about this merchant, who the owner is, the app number, the merchant ID number, the address, the merchant name. You could click on the app number and be able to go to the status section and see the actual app for this merchant. You can see that this trouble ticket is submitted by CRM admin, and because we linked this trouble ticket to Chicago Bears merchant, it automatically looks up and knows who the sales rep is. And you can also assign this trouble ticket to one of your employees at your corporate office to be able to handle this trouble ticket. The other thing about this trouble ticket is you can add new notes. So if you click on the note, say, please call, merchant called in again this morning. So when you submit it, the page will refresh with this note that we just added to the CRM software. So basically what's going to happen is when you add a new note, the owner and then whoever's assigned to this trouble ticket, as well as the app owner, are both going to receive an email notification stating that there's a new note and the content of the note added to this trouble ticket. The other thing about this trouble ticket is you can assign a document to it. So what we're going to do is just a test document. We're going to browse and we're going to go to documents and we're going to choose basically any type of file that we're going to link to this trouble ticket, and we're going to upload, and changes made successfully. And you're going to see down here, you're going to see the document that's assigned to this trouble ticket, and this is the content of that document because it's actually a text document, so that's how it shows. So here's how you can be able to add notes and upload paperwork or documents to this trouble ticket. The other thing is if you need to edit anything in this trouble ticket, you can click on edit and be able to edit the status of the trouble ticket, assign it to another person, and so on. So now that we've added another trouble ticket to the CRM for Chicago Bears, one of the good features about this system is you can actually click on the trouble ticket, you can click on the application for Chicago Bears and go and see all the trouble tickets that were ever assigned to Chicago Bears. Another thing you can do, well, let me take you to the application page, and here you can see the actual application summary for app number 1025 for Chicago Bears. You'll see when this merchant has been submitted into the system, when they started, and all the details about this merchant. Another thing you can do is if you have merchants call in or you have sales reps call in and they need support, you could do a search, and in the search page you can do a search for customer name, and we're going to type in Chicago. We don't have to type in Chicago Bears, but it'll tell you all the merchants named Chicago. So here we have the result, Chicago Bears. Now we're at the summary page for Chicago Bears, and we're going to look at all the trouble tickets that were ever created for this merchant. So we're going to click on tickets, and here you're going to see a history of all the trouble tickets ever assigned to this merchant account. You can also click on task and see all the tasks that were ever assigned to this merchant as well. And all you have to do is go back to tickets, click on this particular trouble ticket and see the details for this merchant account. What we're going to do is sign out, and this will conclude this training session.